Here at Pharma Nord, we often get the question, why are all your pills blister packed? Well, there are several answers to that question, so let's have a look at one. Many people keep their vitamins and dietary supplements in rooms with high humidity, like the bathroom or the kitchen. But every time you open a container of vitamins in a moist environment, the humidity inside that container rises. This means that even with lids on tight, the humid atmosphere will cause vitamins to become unstable and degrade rapidly by a process known as deliquescence. Recent studies have shown that deliquescence can cause the nutrient delivery of water-soluble vitamins to be drastically lowered or even completely lost within just 1 week. This means that from the time you break the seal on a brand new bottle of vitamins, the countdown begins. And within a few short days, you'll only be getting a fraction of the nutrients you originally paid for. With supplements from Pharma Nord, your pills and capsules are kept in individually sealed, air and moisture-tight pockets, ensuring that you get the exact same amount of nutrients in every single dosage, from the day of purchase to the day of expiry. But moisture isn't the only thing that'll get to your vitamins. Another good reason for blister packing is hygiene. During a normal day, our hands come into contact with many different sources of bacteria that we in turn spread along to whatever we touch, including our vitamins. With old-fashioned plastic containers, you're very likely to spread the nasty microbes when you reach into the jar with your finger or pour extra tablets from your hand back into the jar. The same vitamin container is often kept for months and may be handled by different people, creating perfect conditions for bacteria to multiply. But with Pharma Nord's blister packs, you can be certain that every pill or capsule is kept perfectly sterile up until the moment you need it.